Good afternoon. A California-based defense technology company has chosen New Mexico to build its next missile manufacturing plant. News 13's Michaela DePauli is live in the Newsplex this afternoon with what that means for the metro.
In Sandoval County, a quiet 1,000-acre stretch of land has been selected for a facility called Project Ranger. The company behind it, Castilian, manufactures hypersonic missiles that travel faster than the speed of sound. But county officials say they don't expect noise to be a problem.
There's a lot of people that think they're going to be testing rockets out there. Nothing is going to leave the ground. They would be static tests for about 30 seconds, and that's it. Sound like a vacuum going off for about 30 seconds, 3 or 4 times a week.
Sandoval County Manager Wayne Johnson says Castilian's operations will be regulated by the Department of War and the state's Environment Department. Addressing community concerns about safety, he says none of the chemicals will be made in state, and the containers used to haul the missiles have a far smaller explosive capacity than, say, a gasoline tanker. The county is also about to begin working on the Paseo del Volcan expansion, which will be the main road Castilian will use to transport chemicals and missiles. The state's Department of Economic Development says this is a major win for New Mexico, as it will lead to $650 million of economic impact over the next decade and at least 300 high-paying jobs. The department also says this continues to make New Mexico a defense technology hub.
It's an opportunity for us to catch up because, frankly, in hypersonic missiles, the Chinese, the Russians are further ahead than we are in the United States. Castilian is a next generation defense contractor that is being able to iterate and evolve their company and their products much faster than traditional defense companies.
Secretary Black says Castilian will be able to manufacture thousands of missiles a year, where historically the U.S. has been limited to producing only the tens per year. The state says the majority of jobs will go to New Mexicans and they will get equity in the company. Back to you.
All right, Michaela, thank you. Castilian is investing $100 million. The state investing $125 million in industrial revenue bonds, while the state, the county, and the city are providing nearly $7 million in grants.